Greetings, adventurers. Strap in as we delve into the simplicity of Filipino cuisine. Pack your taste buds and off we go to the Philippines. Welcome to our channel, Global Taste Journey. Our first stop, the ever-popular adobo, a savory stew of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and peppercorns. It's the national dish for a reason. Next we have sinigang, a sour soup that's a comfort food staple. Tamarind, tomatoes, and a variety of vegetables make this dish a vibrant burst of flavors. And we can't forget halo, a colorful dessert that's as delightful to eat as it is to look at. That's just the tip of the Filipino food iceberg. There's so much more to explore, so stay tuned. Until next time, adventurers, bon voyage on your global taste journey.